overlooked aspects of the COVID-19 pandemic is the substantial toll it has on mental health. Certain groups are particularly affected, including doctors, who, by the nature of their job, are at high risk of developing adverse mental health conditions during this time. For example, a study out of China in March 2020 found that 1,000 out of 1,257 healthcare workers, 72% were experiencing distress and 45% were experiencing anxiety. And this is due to a number of reasons, such as having to work without proper PPE, burnout, living away from their families, and being at a higher risk of getting COVID-19. So you might be wondering, well, how can we fix this problem to ensure that doctors can work productive, happy lives and save the rest of us from being impacted by COVID-19? Introducing PsychBase.doc, a revolutionary new platform for healthcare workers to find and share helpful mental health resources during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is modeled after Pinterest, and it is an anonymous open access database that allows healthcare workers to obtain the support and psychological tools they need to deal with the stress their jobs can produce. As you can see by the homepage here, it's divided into 6 different categories that are based on the most common stressors, including dealing with burnout, dealing with grief, fear of contracting COVID-19, stress and shortages of PPE, dealing with pre-existing mental health conditions, and anything that does not fit into those categories. And you can see the tags and resource types below. And just to talk a little bit about the design of the site, it is meant to be very easy to access and a simple UI. And the colors are based on the fact that blue is very calming to people and it helps to reduce stress related to mental health issues.
Our website has 2 different features. Either medical workers can add their own resources to this global database, or they can receive resources in a specific category. We coded this section using HTML, PHP, and the MySQL database. In the Receiving Resources section, medical workers can place their email and category and have an email sent to them with information from the database matching that category. Likewise, if a user were to add information into a specific category, they would input the desired category, one of the 6 mentioned earlier, and the resources, and that info will be transmitted through PHP to the MySQL server, where it will remain stored. We felt like using a database was necessary to preserve the data and resources that other doctors shared in order to build a huge hub of content and a sense of community.
Our website originally used both PHP and Java to develop different ways to write the logic of our website. At the end, by comparing the efficiencies of the 2 options, we've decided to use the more efficient PHP in making the final project. Through our difficulties, we were able to modify our website to have more availability than it would have had previously. The differences between the functional availabilities of the 2 languages, Java and PHP, allow us to have the opportunity in the future to possibly develop our website in 2 different directions, as well as to add more capabilities than we could have had without them.
All in all, we are PsychBase.doc, a revolutionary concept and a database and a community by healthcare workers and for healthcare workers. And we hope to make a difference with this project in the near future. Thank you.